Hey guys, this is Banggood channel. Today I will unbox the BlitzWolf BW-AH2 smartwatch. BW-AH2 is a new outdoor healthy tracking watch. In this video, I will tell you 8 reasons for choosing this watch. The first reason, it has the 1.57-inch display enhances, so in making BW-AH2 easier to use and read. Reason 2, you have multiple dials and you can DIY. You can choose different dials for your watch. Reason 3, you have the camera and music control. In addition, it also supports IP68 waterproof grade. And the call alert is the most basic function. The most important reason is the health tracking. It supports blood pressure, 8 exercise modes, 24-hour heart rate, female menstrual cycle, and sleep tracking to keep you healthy from head to toe. More wonderful functions. Looking forward to your discovery. Thanks for your support to Banggood. See you next time. Bye.